A decision on Roe v. Wade isn't expected until June or July. So what would happen if the ruling is overturned? Can states pass their own abortion laws? Brandon Lewis verifies.
For almost 50 years, Roe v. Wade guaranteed women in the U.S. the right to an abortion. Now, with the Supreme Court potentially poised to overturn the landmark ruling, some governors have announced plans to introduce new state abortion laws. So let's verify. Can states pass their own abortion laws if Roe v. Wade is overturned? Our sources are the U.S. Constitution, the Supreme Court's opinion in Roe v. Wade, and Justice Samuel Alito's draft opinion for Dobbs v. Jackson Women's Health Organization. Before Roe v. Wade, each state could make their own abortion laws. In 1973, the Supreme Court ruled that abortions are nationally protected during the first trimester of pregnancy under the 14th Amendment, which protects a woman's right to privacy, and deferred to states for the second and third trimesters, with some health exceptions. Alito's draft opinion overturning Roe v. Wade argues the Constitution makes no reference to abortion and that the 14th Amendment doesn't apply. This would remove any constitutional protections for abortion. With no federal law regarding abortion and no stated protection from the Supreme Court, states would be free to do as they choose, either restricting or protecting access to abortions. So, yes, states can pass their own abortion laws if Roe v. Wade is overturned. Overturning Roe does not mean abortions are illegal everywhere. Instead, states could begin enforcing their existing abortion laws, and some are now passing new laws that would go into effect if the Supreme Court overturns Roe. New Jersey recently passed a law protecting access to abortions, while South Dakota's governor says she will call for a special legislative session to restrict access to abortions. South Dakota has a trigger law on the books that would ban most abortions if Roe v. Wade is overturned. The Kaiser Family Foundation predicts some of the new laws will prompt legal challenges that will end up in state Supreme Courts. The Family Research Council and Planned Parenthood are lobbying Congress to pass federal legislation that would either restrict or protect abortions nationwide. With your Verify, I'm Brandon Lewis.
Now, this map takes a closer look at the 26 states likely or certain to ban abortion if Roe is reversed. The 13 in orange are the ones with so-called trigger laws. You can see Virginia and North Carolina are not highlighted.